Chris Owino katwaka kod ogai mar ODM oburu ginga kanyo koteno koda weche mag siasa mag ODM kachiel koda winjruok monego bed kata twak monego gibed godo kod duond bura mar UDA. Kopogore gi mano, ni jagoro Migao mar Arita Raymond Omollo ojiwo josiasa mondo luw chenro makare ka gibago rombgi mag siasa. Owacho ni ka sirikal obedo gi ng'eyo makare ewi romo makamago to miyogi thuolo mar chwalo arita e kinde romogo. Bende ojiwogi ni gibag rombgi maonge kelo chochni ne joma moko ma ok obedo e romo makamago.
We are a country that is governed by the rule of law. We are a democracy. And we all know the processes of having public meetings or public rallies. If there is intention to have a public rally or to have a protest or to have petitions, the police needs to be notified in good time. And every Kenyan is free to engage and publicly meet other Kenyans in any part of the country, not just in Kisumu alone. But while doing it, it has to be done within the confines of the law. We will protect the rights of every Kenyan. Whether you are agitating for something pro or against the government, everybody must have their day to be able to engage the public. And my point then is that no one should feel threatened, or no one should threaten anybody. If you want to come and have engagements, follow the procedure. You will have engagements. While at it, it's only important that you take note that for those who are not interested in coming to your function, we must allow them to also go on with their lives uninterrupted. And as a government, that is part of our responsibility.
Jatend duond bura mar DCP Rigathi Gachagua ochiwo ne jatend piny thuolo mar ndalo 7 mar duoko piny nengo ma otaa, ka ok kamano to biro bago ng'anyo